Hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. I hope everybody's doing okay. It's raining outside at the moment, but it's been warmer. Thank goodness. I finished the wreath. This is Sheila's wreath, my niece. I made it for her. She loves ladybugs, and I think this is going to be a big surprise for her. She works her butt off, and she's always helped me when I needed it. So she deserves it. And yes, and the next videos will probably be coming from Nashville or on the trip, because I'm about to leave here Good Friday early in the morning, and I'm not going to be back until the 24th. So anyways, I want to show you guys the wreath and how it turned out. Of course, I can't post this until I give it to her. So, yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. I'll get on this side. My house is a little messed up right now, where I've been packing and working on this wreath. I'm done now with what I'm going to do before I leave, and I'm going to straighten the house up. House and me. I'll be ready to go. I think this come out so pretty. What do y'all think? This right here is actually near a $200 wreath, if anybody is thinking about how much it would cost. And the reason why I say that is because if you were local, it'd be probably $20 cheaper. This is actually, I would probably charge $100 for this and $20 for shipping. I'm a good person. But there's a lot of material on this wreath. And I think it's beautiful. I think she's going to be so surprised. And then I'm going to finish up the little birdhouses. I've got the pieces cut, and I'm going to show you here shortly when I get done with them. What they are, the finished look is. All right? All right. I love you, my YouTube fam. I'll be back. All right, guys. My little houses are done. Done, and ready to hang up. My little hideaways. Where, again, you can put your journal, diary, jewelry, any little keys you got like that, you can hide in those holes. And nobody will never know they're in there. You can also put these in your fairy garden. They make a fairy garden look really cute. I've got a new thing going on that I'm doing. These little woods here. See them? I am letting people write what they want to on there. And then I take and burn them and stain them. And when I'll put a little gloss on them too. And then I can put for $12, I'll do that. Okay, and then also I can change these ropes and put beads on them. Some pretty beads, wooden beads. But yeah, there's round, oval ones and oblong ones. So that's the new thing I got going on. Now, after I get my wreaths made when I get back from Nashville, My next new thing is going to finally be my beautiful little rings I'm going to make. You know, the wired marble rings. And I'm going to do different kinds, and they're going to be really pretty. I've already got all the material for it. But anyways, that's about it, guys, for now. I'll see you when I'm on the road. I got cleaning to do and finish up here before I roll out. Take care of each other, hug each other, because tomorrow's never promised. And God bless all of you, and peace.